The Young People's Group, OASIS, have created a youth mental health first aid kit which they've been launching today at Barnsley Town Hall as part of World Mental Health Day. It's been really fantastically received. People are really getting on board with this idea. The idea is that you have a physical first aid kit in every setting, so why shouldn't we have a mental health first aid kit in every setting? The idea is that every service organisation, school, college, university can have one of these kits in their setting, and they can build on this with the young people that they work with. In the main museum room, we've had creative consultation activities where young people can write directly onto the museum glass cabinets with our magic pens around what mental health means to them, what stresses them out, what makes them happy, and drawing and expressing their views around that, as well as having a celebration for mental health by having creative wellbeing workshops such as how to make lavender dough, glitter jars, stress balls. So many young people have turned up from different schools and they've really enjoyed doing that today. So we've also had drumming workshops for young people to take part in. We've had live bands, we've had the Stringers, which is a band that the young people requested, doing some really popular covers. And we've got Stray Weather, which are a band and a spoken word artist team that are going to create some spoken word pieces to perform directly from the consultation activities that have been happening on the main museum cabinets.
Today, I've been making a poem based on all of this information on these glass cabinets. Keeping sane in a world which is insane. It's inside of everyone, but we can't quite explain. When presented with life, it's how we cope. Finding presence, finding hope. Within yourself, it's about being proud and strong. Accepting who you are, and the world judging is wrong. Enjoy your life, no matter what you do. Remember, it's your life and it belongs to you.
We've also had the Mayor's support, so the Mayor in Barnsley came down, he delivered a fantastic speech around why World Mental Health Day should be celebrated and why it's really important to promote resilience within young people around mental health and really get things right for young people in regards to the services and support that young people receive in Barnsley.
The stigma of living with mental health issues affects thousands of children, teenagers and adults from all walks of life and from all over the country. No one should feel ashamed that is why we are so proud of the work that the young people from OASIS have undertaken and continue to do on all our behalves.
Alongside that, we had a speech sent directly from MP Dan Jarvis, which the Mayor read out because unfortunately MP Dan Jarvis couldn't be here today, but he's really got on board with that as well. So we've had some great support from other people for the event. So as well as launching the Youth Mental Health First Aid Kits, we've created a manifesto based on consultation findings from young people in Barnsley. So we've been consulting with young people over the last year, and the OASIS group have took the key findings from that and created a manifesto with 8 key points that they want all services and organisations, universal workers working with young people to really take on board to make things better for young people. The young people have also launched their manifesto film with the 8 key findings, so created a bit of a young person friendly way of feeding that back to the young people that took part in the consultation, as well as getting those services on board to take those findings forward.
Hello, I'm Shannon Allgood and I'm part of the Chilypep OASIS group. Can you tell me what you've been doing today?
Today, while I've been here, I've been offering advice and information about TADS, what we do, to help promote it basically, to students and young people in schools.
How did you find today?
Set up lovely, and I was quite surprised at the influx of people that arrived when I arrived. So yeah, it's been quite a nice afternoon actually. And being able to get our information out and promote TADS, it's been good.
Can you tell me what you've been doing today?
Well, so yeah, we'll be down here at the Town Hall having a great time with the Town Hall takeover. So we've had a stall just to kind of say what we do within CAMS, so just saying like all the different kind of therapies that we offer and the groups, and just answering people's questions really, and also having a look at what other services we could kind of signpost young people to as well in Barnsley, because obviously there might be other services that might be able to help them as well. So yeah, I'm just enjoying it.